Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel tab, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. First of all, we have to enter the settings, and then in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find the system. Now let's enter the gestures, and as you can see on the second position we've got the system navigation, so simply enter. Here we've got two different options, so of course the 3-button navigation which we've got currently applied, and the gesture navigation. In order to set the gestures we will have to tap on this option. However, before we will do it, just a quick disclaimer about the 3-button navigation, because as you can see here we've got the settings icon, which simply means that we can customize this option. Unfortunately we've got only one option, so the hold home for assistant, up to you if you want to use it or not. Alright, so in order to set the gestures we have to tap on this option, and as you can see the 3 buttons navigation will immediately disappear, also those icons which were at the bottom of the screen. Instead we've got this line which will show us, which will actually allow us to perform some actions, some gestures. Here you've got also the animation, so you can kind of learn how to use the gestures, but of course no worries, I'll show you, I will explain everything. Here we've got also the settings icon, so we can enter it, and as you can see we can customize the digital assistant, we can turn it on or off, and we can manage the back sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, because you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Up to you, as I said. Alright, so right now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page just by using the back button, we have to swipe our finger from the right to the center or from the left to the center. It works the same until you will see this arrow. Right now you can release the finger, and as you can see we just got back to the previous page, and the same situation from the left side. As you can see, because the tablet is divided into 2 different sections, we do not have a lot of pages to get back, and that's why we just got back to the home page. If you want to get back directly to the home page, then all you have to do, and it will be useful, for example, when you're using the browser. So if you want to, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and a quick motion, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents we have to swipe our finger from the bottom to center of our device, and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see here we've got the recents. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.